My name is Boem and I'm a designer. I'm traveling with my wife and my daughter around the world, and we are exploring the most beautiful places. Last year we were working from a Caribbean paradise. Since I was a kid, I spent a lot of time in workshops. In every workshop you can find some DIY tools and storage people create by themselves. I picked the best ideas and designed a collection you can print at home. I wanted to make the tools as simple as possible, so I stayed calm with shaping and highlighted the beauty of DIY. I made them to look like they are composed from elementary rods and bars, the same way as they are made up from leftovers. And you can print them in the same way. You can use leftovers of your filaments and print it colorful. Because all the products are geometrically clean, they can be easily printed on any ordinary FFF printer. Thanks to this technology, I don't have to travel with all the tools. I only have a printer in one luggage, which can make all the things I need. This new way of making things can save you a lot of time, and when the printer is making things, I have more time for enjoying my time with my family and friends, and also exploring the world and learning new things. This collaboration was completely decentral. I was sending digital products and we could print them and try them at the same time on two places far, far away. And because we have a video call, we haven't seen each other in live yet.